and welcome back to Emma's Awesome Videos. Today I will be showing you a Carolina wren taking a bath in the sand. Now I took the video, I'm not using it. Took the video myself in the house on like the side of the house. Not in the front yard, not in the backyard, it's kind of on the side of the house. So hope you enjoyed laughing and watching it. I'll see you there. Bye. So it makes its little indentation, like a nest shape. And it's just like flapping its wings and taking a bath in the sand. Oh, here comes the squirrel. Say, what you doing, little birdie? Are you a nut? Nope. Okay, not a nut. Sorry. My bad. But do you have a nut? Nope. Get away from me, squirrel! And it found its original little hole. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. So that was a Carolina wren, and they do that to like get rid of oil, grime, dirt, grunge, every dirty, nasty little thing that they can't exactly get while preening off of them, and also to get parasites in the skin instead of just the feathers that they do with preening. So apparently that's what they do, just a little fact. And also, if you heard that like dropping grinding noise, that was the ice maker. And if you heard a little meow, a couple of them, that was my cat Sherlock. He's an orange tabby, and they do that. It's called chattering. They do that because that's easy for them to communicate. That's how they used to communicate with like their pack or their little area with their friends, to say, hey, I found food, come over here and help me get it. So I hope you enjoyed that little clip. Don't forget to subscribe and press the thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.